Hello, Primer 3. I hope you are all fine and in good health. Today, we're gonna talk about counting strategy, what repeated addition means, what array means, and how can I form multiplication equation. Now, if I have any number of objects and I want to know how many objects do I have without counting, I'm going to arrange those objects just like these little ducklings into rows and columns. Rows arranged horizontally from left to right. Horizontally from left to right. Each row has the same number of ducklings. Each row has 4 ducklings. So I have 3 rows of 4 ducklings in each. So I have 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 12. Super. So I have 12 ducklings in all. This equation is called repeated addition equation. That means I repeat the same number many times. Just like here, I repeat number 4 3 times. This is called repeated addition equation. What about columns? Columns are formed vertically from up to down. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. Each column has 3 ducklings. So I have 4 columns of 3 ducklings in each. Can you form the repeated addition equation this time? Yes, it will be 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. I'm going to skip count by 3 to find out the total. I'm going to whisper 2 numbers to myself and say the third number out loud. 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I will have 12 ducklings in all. To name any array, I'm going to say the number of rows by the number of columns. Here I have 3 rows and 4 columns. So this array is called 3 by 4 or 4 by 3 equals 12. Because if I repeat number 4 3 times, I will have the same sum as if I repeat number 3 4 times. That means 3 by 4 or 4 by 3, both of them equals 12. Multiplication is a repeated addition. If I have any array arranged into rows and columns, I should come up with 2 repeated addition equations and 2 multiplication equations. Just like this number of objects. I have here number of objects arranged into rows, 1, 2, 3 rows, 4 rows. Each row has 5 objects. So I have 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Can you skip count by 5? That means 5, 10, 15, 20. It gives me 20. What about the second repeated addition equation? Can you form it by yourself? Yes. If I repeat number 5 4 times, this time I'm going to repeat number 4 5 times. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 20. I said before I should come up with 2 repeated addition equations and 2 multiplication equations. How can I form the multiplication equation? Just ask yourself 2 questions. What's the repeated number and how many times did you repeat it? Here, the repeated number is 5. How many times did I repeat it? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 by 4. Or I can say also 4 by 5 equals 20. Here I have two arrays, supers. It's arranged into rows and columns have the same number of objects. So I have two arrays. This array, I have 1, 2, 3 rows. I have 3 rows. In each row, I have 2 counts. That means 2 plus 2 plus 2. Can you skip count by 2? 2, 4, 6. So I have 6 counts in all. I will form the multiplication equation by asking myself 2 questions. What's the repeated number? How many times did I repeat it? Actually, I repeated number 2 3 times. So it's going to be 3 by 2 equals 6. What about this one? This time I have 2 rows. 2 rows have 3 cones in each. So 3 plus 3. Can you form the multiplication equation? I repeated number 3 2 times. So it will be 2 times 3 equals 3 plus 3 equals 6. So 2 times 3 equals 6. Uh-oh, can you notice that? 3 times 2 equals 6. And 2 times 3 also equals 6. That means if I repeat number 2 3 times, it's the same if I repeat number 3 2 times. 3 times 2 equal 2 times 3. It's called commutative property. Commutative property. Commutative property means if I multiply any two numbers, just like 2 and 3, in any order, I will have the same product every time. Just like 3 times 2 and 2 times 3, I will have 6. This is commutative. Commutative. What if I have 3 times 1? That means what? Can you form the repeated addition equation for this multiplication equation? 3 times 1 means I repeat number 1 3 times. Repeated addition. That means 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 3. Super. I will tell you something. Actually, any number multiplied by 1 equals the same number, as if number 1 is a mirror. Like 5 times 1, that means I repeat number 1 5 times. Repeated addition. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 5. So 5 times 1 equals 5. 1,000 times 1 equals 1,000. Any number times 1 equals the same number. What about 4 times 0? That means I repeat number 0 4 times. Repeated addition. Like 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 equals 0. Actually, any number times 0 equals 0. 0 is the monster. It eats any number in front of him. Oh, it was really fun to learn about multiplication and its properties. Thank you for watching. Bye.